Lal is the baby father. When I meet Spice, Spice introduced Lal to me.
I be a cockroaches and bangaroo in the group. TC say rebel a chatter in a class or who say
pick up the other girl them. And if you were so afraid of a man that manipulate and rape,
why would Spice carry them to everywhere else and don't want them go to America?
I just see when people say back me, nobody now back me. Nobody now back me.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. There are so many things that I have to talk about this week. I'm sure you don't want me to jump down into the entire Spice saga, which is why this Christmas edition of the social media countdown is going to be explaining the entire Spice situation with, Artie Boss, Baby Father, the dancer, them, everything. So if you have been living under a rock and you don't know nothing about what transpired this week, I am here to save the day and break it down for you. So let's get into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, RT Kickstarter. Me obia man. Alright, so burritos, I'm sure you've been seeing the name Artie Boss a lot recently, and let me just tell you who this brother is. Apparently, he is a spiritual advisor. Ooh. So basically, him kind of work with people to just kind of give them advice on how to like live their best life and achieve them goals and get all kind of prosperity that they have in mind.
Okay, great gowns, beautiful gowns.
Him say he's not a obia man, he is a spiritual advisor. And in recent times, he might try to look a music thing and, I mean...
Maybe make you come quick like email and fax. Come for that.
And if you don't know that, he was also the same brother who was in a relationship with Mackerel. Okay, so anyway, so stillness are going on in the ear when out of the blue, this brother took to Instagram to go and post a live detailing that him have some grievance with Spice. Because apparently, he must say that Spice has not been very loyal to him.
Me and Spice good from 2011. And let me tell you why I am hurt, because some of you don't know the story. There was a girl by the name Alisa Faceoff. Alisa Faceoff come to my yard. And when I was reading Alisa Faceoff, I said, who is this girl with a coolie man? Is a coolie man a get her bun?
Yo, Spurs. Boy, I'm Monday.
It's just that I decide to say anything and anything because I get stabbed in at the back and betrayed. It's not about money. It's about gratitude, kindness, respect. It's been years now Spice has pushed me under the ground. When I know Spice and Grace Almenton, they were going through financial crisis. Everybody know that me deal with prosperity, me elevate and I highlight. It was so bad that me have to take grocery out of the wholesale giver. When I give her the meat and the food and the rice and everything, she said to me, say, I'm pampas. She said to me, say, when me go tell my man, say, just tell him, say, is your family or something? So she introduced Lal to me as a cousin.
Close to me like my sister, close to me like my brother.
No, how you feel if you are mind somebody and I help somebody. Remember you come to me as a stranger, I take up my money and help you and feed you. You reach at the top. You act like you don't know me, you not acknowledge me. So how long me gonna keep this in my heart for? How long me gonna bear it for? Me are only human. All I speak is highly about her. And she never one day speak about me. She never yet one day come say anything. But that is why I decided that I am going to speak for her with my receipt. Because she is ungrateful and bad mind.
Alright, so yeah man, Artie Boss talk about the things about Spice and mention say him basically build Spice to where she is right now. Him talk about him give Spice $60,000 for when them reach was it the Sting the year when Spice did bring out the donkey. No, you know I'm actually gonna try to find the video clip and see if I can insert it right now to see if he was actually on stage.
similar. Look for the donkey, look for Macka. Who no tell me how them have look similar? Skin a teeth, make a show the denture. Who no look there? Now Macka Diamond that.
And me not understand him at all for something I can't really get why him vex, but it seems as if him never liked that he was a friend matey. Him don't want Spice feel like carry him around, you know, like a part of like the rest of the dancehall queen girl him. Him did feel like him is supposed to be around there, so Spice only acknowledge him when she and him they are foreign. But when she to Jamaica, she don't want parody him because people have it say him is Obia man. Okay? Yeah man, so readers, so let me know what you think about Artie Boss and him basically talking all of this about Spice. I don't really know what it for, but I guess him just say him feel a little way so Spice now give him the strength, like how him did give her strength in the early part of her career. Sound off below what you have to say about this. Number 9, Nicholas chimes in. Magunga Stoopies. So, Nicholas Lal is the Spice's baby father. So, you know, Spice have 2 pitney, 1 boy and 1 girl. Nicholas and Nicola Tay, or Tay, something like that. Shall the 2 youth them, and they are all for Nicholas Lal. Now, when Artie Boss like doing video and basically talk about Spice and, oh, you know, ungrateful and all that little something there, Nicholas joined the Artie Boss's live. Now, when me hear that now, me I say, what the box foot is this? Like, I know Sir Nicholas, look like him don't like him baby mother Spice. Him don't like her right through, him cannot stand her. Him look on her like a little piece of waste switch. And I think Spice look on him the same way. So this was kind of like, you have your 2 enemy them have a mutual interest, say, yo, we do not like Spice. So them just combine up together and just say, here, well, we going to go live and just done our fulfilled.
Yes, Lal.
Now, I say some allegations, so me a suck, danger. Understand what going on right so.
How your woman says still, you know.
This is exactly what I was afraid of.
Did you know that the child that you have is not your child?
Dog, what kind of tell me, dog? You mean that my picnic? I must my picnic version. Well, you never know these things until you taught them something.
Well, I see do the threesome and you go behind your back.
Yo, little more, same. Cause me not. They'll find us something later.
Alright, say what you want to say to the people. Alright, say what you want to say to the people before you go.
I want some clarity upon that thing, yo, because me hear me name mix up on me and I'm danger pussy and them things like yo, listen man. Yo, that be there? My fuck danger of course. But then you put something there, no, it don't work.
And Nicholas said, no, that don't go on. The only thing he did was to sex Danger. Now, if you don't know Danger is one of Spice dancer them. Like, you know, the same time when, how the guys, anyone really for different dancer Spice have though, because she used to party Nikisha and then DHQ and, wait, hold on. She used to have Renee 630, Dancehall Queen Sher and Nikisha. And then, I think when them break up now, Danger kind of coming at the mix, yeah. Whew. But let me know in the comments, like, are you Team Nicholas or are you like, yeah, get the hell away from here? Alright, Marita, so promo time! Woo! Alright, so I have to go and talk about D&S Vlogs. So this is a fairly new YouTube channel and it focuses on this couple and them do whole heap of festive things. So them have challenges, them have them little story times there, all of the stuff them.
So you know that I have white liver, well, crystal clear liver. I'm always Arnie.
And I walk, if I would have more catch or I walk.
Which are you talking about?
Some work.
I think if the foreplay is done properly, I could go like forever.
Yeah man, Burritos, so make sure you go over and go subscribe to the D&S Vlog channel. I'm gonna put the link right here so someone can go and subscribe and support the people, them, okay?
The fire, the thing under fire. You don't know your girl Spice and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked now. Spice said that.
Number 8, Danger spills my USB card. During the week now, after Nicholas, revealed, say, him did sleep with Danger. Danger now broke her silence and took to Instagram to now go and post a video talking about.
Remember from your lock, you should up a hotel door lock. The man grabbed me. This is all ya. Right? Face down, pin down, palm bed. I struggle and I move and I ray. But I couldn't move. Me in a shock, me feel traumatized and me not even me wonder say if me fi ball, me fi scream, me don't know, me just feel like you know the way them me don't know. Me just feel afraid in myself and I say, but a Spice man and he in charge too and you know the man did it. Me feel say me never fight hard enough. Even though me couldn't move. Me think me should have screamed out or something.
She dropped the I word. Now, in the midst of the whole major hype and the Kirby saga, this kind of connect back with the same exact theme that this girl was going through something and she never said anything at all. This was the first time in years that she was coming publicly to basically say something like this. I know because Nicholas go on Artie Boss live and go proudly claim, say, the dancer. That must have hurt her if what she say is true. And so she basically come on the live now and she cry and she detail and say, yo, Spicy kind of distance herself, and then so she come out of Team Spice, and nobody never really know that was the reason. All of them felt that there was a relationship or some type of sexual thing just a go on between she and the baby father without knowing say it was actually, you know, by force. And so what we want to do is just comment right now and let me know, did you think that what Danger said was very sincere? Do you believe what she's saying? And if you do, what do you think is supposed to be her next move? Sound off below. Number 7, Number 7, Marion Mumbles. My praise and worship. Alright, so Artie Boss, there's this spiritual advisor. Now, after the company life, him talk of a bag of things, not just about Spice, but about people in the entertainment in the industry who are connected to Spice. One of which is Marion Hall, formerly Lady Saw. So what Artie Boss alleged is that back in the day when Lady Saw was Spice's godmother, so Lady Saw did give Spice one present and give her one little jacket.
I see a black furry jacket. I say, go for the jacket where Lady Saw give you. She say, oh my God, oh you know Lady Saw give me jacket. I say, cause I'm a reader, man. I say, go for the jacket where Lady Saw give you. I see a white furry jacket. When she go for the white furry jacket, I say, you have to burn that jacket. She say, Lady Saw give me it, you know, and I'm a godmother for my pitney, you know. I say, well, that jacket where she give you is for hurt you. Because I burn the jacket and pull the energy and the atmosphere of witchcraft where Lady Saw friend her and tie her down in the terms of saying that she knows that she is the next one in line.
Now, take the case and give me the pillow. All of this is what he said. I know said Marion Hall never did go take that kindly. Even though the woman in her little church and she pay attention to her God and her Christendom and all of these things, she had to just like tap her foot in a little secular space now and clap back at Artie Boss quickly and cleverly. Take a look.
Get too much. When Satan get too much, you have to just face off with Satan and send him to the pit of hell. I want you to share this morning. Share. Share. If I ever put my hand in iniquity, you hear? If I ever put my hand in iniquity to who be anybody, I want God to murder me, kill me, chop me up, take out me toe.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Blind me, cripple me, no! If these people want attention so bad, Maya Bokoshai, this morning, who be a man? If you're a who be a man?
I mean, I understand why I'm so graphic, Lady Saw. Why do you have to be so graphic? She's speaking it. Lady Saw was this close. Forgot tell the boy some, you know, about him, and for just tell him for yeah. But she hold it, and we have to applaud you for that, yeah, Sister Marion Hall. Applause. So let me know, burritos, what do you think about this? Do you think that Artie Boss did really cross the line for to involve Marion Hall in all of this entire saga? And what do you think about Lady Saw chiming in? You think she should have just like lay low and nobody address it because, you know, she just knows that just so people are doing things so like clickbaits and all of these things? Sound off below. Alright, so promo time. So now I forgot to tell you about something called Cuisine de Nancy. So you see Marlies Webb, she is the executive chef at Cuisine de Nancy, a private dining and catering company that specializes in delivering unique culinary experiences. You see, if the client has a kitchen and or a nice spot at home, she can come in and make a delicious private fine dining experience for them. Basically, if you just give her the vision and you book her, she will chef it up. And she also does a wide variety of pastries. Now, at the moment, she is based in Discovery Bay, but her services can be provided island-wide. Now, between me and you, she also has a branch in the company called CDN Bread Pudding Factory, where she creates bread puddings in an endless variety of flavors. So the contact information is right here, Saberitos, on our website, that's Cuisine de Nancy, and on our Instagram, so please to go over there and to support her. Do not miss out on her, man. Come and tell us that she is a burrito, so you know that she have taste and she know the good things them and how to provide it. Number 6, Spice clears the air. Me light bulb. Alright, so Spice now, after laying low and being kind of silent on social media, all she did do in a little meanwhile, I play a little song, you know, the same video they were named Friends.
Smiling at your face, them a chat behind your back. One like them a sheep, but them a wolf in a pack.
She just did post it and, you know, I'll show a little shade, and the friends were turned against her. And so she went on Instagram live now to now address everything fully.
My baby father go up on the Instagram live in the platform bring me down. For make me feel away. That's the plan, you know. Him laugh and say, yes, we could go bring her down and we could go talk this and talk that, and the two of them plot up and scam up together, say them are going to bring me down. You mentioned my son. I tell her, I said, Danger, you should have never keep it a secret. You should have never keep this a secret from me. Because many of you may not know, but me and Danger was like, so if she willing to talk the truth, a years me not talk to her. Because me hear her, she never want to talk. And me just, I saw me stay. Me not have luck with people. One of my fans don't know me not have luck with people. Me saw it like a seaside. But me and her was like this, very close. And me say, how could you not tell me something like this? You should have tell me, you should have talk. Because when me go down in night, the boy go on live. And him swear say him a play big. And him a go flap me and him a go bring me down. And him a plot up and a scheme up with the plan of the enemy. I mean, I live a straw and God just go so whoop and box him in his face and say, move your, hey. The boy go.
So burritos, let me know what you thought about Spice's live. You think it makes sense? Do you think that she addressed everything fully? Me, I say she never addressed everything, you know. Cause, you know, Artie Boss talk and say me give her money and donkey and all kind of things. Me think Spice mentioned all of that. But Spice just kind of talk about the baby father part. But I'd love to hear Spice really address the little other things that the brother did say. But let me know, burritos, what do you think of Spice's address? Sound off below. Number 5, Macka Diamond 2 cents. Me jokey. Alright, so Macka Diamond now Miss Money somehow ended up in the midst of this entire Spice baby father Artie Boss saga, because Artie Boss once again, like him just talk all kind of things and basically kind of say some little things that would have suggest say Spice did a try for, you know, like stop Macka Diamond career and say he must put one little hole for kind of style Macka career so that Spice can kind of elevate to the spot, to the top. And so Macka Diamond now took to IG now. She never really addressed everything directly, but she show a little, you know, that's why a little shade them just kind of come around like, you know, like when them look fast car they pass, you know, look at NASCAR racing like, Mario go-kart, them look a shade that Macka Diamond go with. Pre.
Them go against me, them team up, them tell promoters say them now work with me. We go up on a stage show. Me have witnesses, me have promoter will book me at California and in the Bronx, New York, and show with them. Them say they no wine on the same hotel room with me. And we go through it. Me sit down every time I see the God say, everybody get them good career.
Okay, Macka, alright, and then Macka, whatever, you know, gives you peace at night. And then after that, no, I guess Artie Boss now look like say him and Macka Diamond patch things up because he went on Insta and went on live again to go and apologize to Macka.
One message I give you guys, me confess and apologize to Macka Diamond pan fear live. And now I come use this platform to apologize to Macka Diamond. Oh, me slow her down for letting Spice. And let me just tell Jamaican people one thing.
You want fight? No!
So burritos, let me know your thought about this part of the drama. Jesus, P, like, I honestly can't believe, say, I literally got to do the whole entire top 10 dedicated to this situation like this. I've never done this on a corner before. Like, can you imagine one mix up or just like have 10 different moving parts? So
I got this lingering from Roxality.
Alright, burritos, promo time! Woo! Alright, so first up we're talking about Live Well Pharmacy. Now, Live Well Pharmacy is the cute little family-owned pharmacy that stocks the latest and trendiest products. Now, you see at Live Well, they pay keen attention at delivering excellent customer service. Because you see there, so, they want to ensure so them treat everybody like family. So you get curbside service, WhatsApp prescription service, delivery at Portmore location, and you get personal care and attention to meet your healthcare goals. Go and visit the nearest Live Well Pharmacy right now. Them have these locations. Now them have 2 locations. High-low at Portmore Pines and high-low at Fairview in Montego Bay. So it's like what Christmas time, make sure you go there and go get the good things them, go get the nice little gift them, or you can wrap and go give your friends and family. So if you want to go and follow them, you can, you know, check out them Instagram and their website right here. So, okay, if you tell them say DuttyBerry sent you, you get freeness. You're going to get a free COVID travel kit with your hand sanitizer, with your mask, and what else you get? Let me see. Yeah, I get wipes in there too. So make sure to tell them say DuttyBerry send you, and whenever you make a purchase, you're going to get a free travel kit. Okay, burritos, go on right now. Promo time! Alright, so burritos, you see, if you are looking for a realtor, let me introduce you to Heather. So if you need an expert to find tenants for your investment property or to sell property for you from a lot, studio, apartments, commercial property, farm, small, big housing development, all of them something there, as long as it is in Jamaica, Heather is the realtor for you. She will cover any property from any of the 14 parishes in Jamaica. So her number is right here on the screen and you can call her, you can WhatsApp her and get the conversation going. So you see, if you have property to sell, link Heather because she will make that sale much better. Woo! Number 4, Spice It Up Talk Show. Jerry Springer. Oh God, so in the middle of all of this now, there came Spice's, you know, collaboration with Magnum Shavar show.
For my ear. Well, I know, we could spice things up.
And on this week, she had the theme Mending Fences, which was quite interesting because on a week where the title of a fair show is Mending Fences, all of the fences that in a fair life that tear right down one after the other. Just every single thing. But anyhow, so on this episode now, she brought on Tifa and Lisa Hype. Now, most people know about the Lisa Hype thing, say the two of them did have the beef, right? The two of them do them sang them. So them they kind of come on the show now and patch things up.
Lisa Hyper.
No, you
want
me
to my song.
Yeah.
How my song go again?
Who want to test me? Who want to test me?
Me after the truth. Spice no stop.
Yeah. I never come. What me say now?
Listen. You say your name Lisa. You want to change your name
to Lisa Hyper. You make a mistake. You mean Lisa Swiper.
And then she talked to Tifa and them try patch up for them like a thing because them have beef from like YVA days.
Right
through. There's no way, like, even though like we can't hate or say whatever because you work feet.
We work hard feet. Yeah, from baby. We work hard feet. It's been.
But then now, Spice tried to bring Fear, little bestie, and our farmer rival together to piece things up.
That's why I'm telling you, I'm
Hold
going to
on.
bust your face because I never go
You
come
could
near
go
your face.
hold on
You
now.
could do it. A problem.
No, we're not. This is not men fences.
You could do it. 5 o'clock in the morning. Go not doing a food 5 o'clock.
No, hold on. So we still look at hotel. No, if we look at hotel, so we still look at hotel. This is not mending fences.
Yeah, that never did go on like them. She try mend fences, but not one fence man right. That's not even like a glue, not like a ponal. Nothing could patch that up right there. They are going to be fighting for the rest of them life. When you used to watch Family Guy, you know about Peter Griffin and the chicken, and so them are going to stay a lifelong rival. No little piece now come out tight. Yeah, but all I know, Pampute, no, just something else. So down below, if you watch this episode, and what did you think about it? Number 3, Richie Feelings live. Me bulk syrup. Why did I say that? I do not know what I'm going to work with it because right now I'm just talking me on grand. This mix up is just like too long. Anyway, so Richie Feelings now, if you don't know, him is a dancehall selector. You know, like them selector, you them love to talk like them, you know, them not really have the party I go. So them out to go just to the little, the little lapatan. So that I go on. So Richie Feelings now is Spice's little friend. Basically, if you really want to understand, Richie Feelings is a blocker to Spice's Macka Diamond. Like, that's the best way I can say, like, you know, you have the woman, you have the little Riri man beside her, where like a hype man, but when she whine, I say, yeah, girl, head top, yeah, girl, yeah, you look good, yeah, you smell good, yeah. I show the girl them a grudge, you make them want to be like you, yeah. That is what Richie Feelings is for Spice. Long time, him is our little choo-choo cheerleader, and everybody need them like a friend there. Zine?
Run the rhythm, cause now go like you know walk around it in a Richie. Yeah, talk about me when you're something, I'm going to broke your foot. You never know. When you get to man, them then at the place when you say them now.
And so Richie and his life now, look like say probably him and Spice attack and Spice can't really say every single thing like how she want to say. So maybe she just say, yo, Richie, yo, I like them like a thing you know love, but you do that, you know, because I really want to say everything, but you do that. So Richie went on his Instagram now and decided to talk about the things them, about the dancers them, because outside of the Artie Boss saga and the Macka Diamond and the Marion Hall saga, the word on the street is that there was no harmony in the Team Spice camp.
Polly, I'm Pretty, this is what you're always doing. I'm not chat about Rep, I'm not chat about Polly, I'm not chat about Ashley, I'm not chat about Katie. I'm a me a chat about. And you can never tell Rebel when you fuck wrong. And the things that much you fuck I tell people say about me. You come from a fuck.
I know Spice have her dancers them that are Rebel, TC, and Pretty. The 3 of them, the Powerpuff Girls of dancehall, that is what they are.
Spice and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, Chemical X. Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born!
I run too much joke, yeah.
So Richard now went there and to talk about how none of them are really loyal to Spice. You
understand? But you want me tell Spice all the while and she don't listen to me. I say stop going like you and them girl is friend. You and them girl are a friend. Business you do with them. You hear me say? Business. May I always tell her. The whole of them chat Spice. The whole of them. You don't notice I'll know one of them can't come and say star a lie. I'll know one of them can't come. I'll know one of them can't come. Be sure no one blood them, you know. None of them no call her. I want to sound love Spice so. And Spice I want to boss. And so much things that have about, you know.
So who? Burritos. we're almost there to the end now. So please still let me know. Did you find what the Richie Feelings statements valid? You think say it makes sense? You think say everything we say is 100% accurate? Sound off below. Number 2, Team Spice claps back. Me foot bottom. So now, we caught up now. So when Richie Feelings went there now, I saw him say the dancers them never like it. So you know, so right there and then the Powerpuff Girls had to strike. So first up was TC. No, which one of the Powerpuff Girls make make TC be now? Jeez and people, TC. Who TC have Bubbles, Buttercup and Blossom? I feel like more on TC have to be. Me make TC be Blossom. TC are gonna be Blossom. So first up was Blossom.
Member say Richie come pa Instagram come tell you say none of we no call Spice. And Spice sit down and make Richie Feelings really thought that. See it here? Me know I can read. Spice overseas cause I saw me save her foreign number. See it there? December 14, 10:35 p.m. See there? Me call her and me ask her what is the matter. Because the man a go say Spice a fuck me faster than comfort. Which that is not true. Me go carry no way back. I'm now bring down nobody. Plus attack. Richie Feelings bring me down the most out of everybody. I'm here the worst, I'm chat the most. You understand? Him bring me down the most and say the worst set of things them about me. I know me innocent. And if me I tell no lie right there, so me want God broke me neck and kill me and I'm going to see tomorrow.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Then after that now, you had Rebel. So Rebel went on now and charged. Wait, I forgot to decide who Rebel going to be now. Rebel. I'm going to make Rebel be, what the green one name? Buttercup. Rebel is going to be Buttercup.
I grew up, but I chew me chat too much. Me ever want chat. Me chat too much when me emotional. Gracie, me not have no problem with you. But you see problem when me have with your dog. You don't know if you talk about things. Your ear say, you're not try to clear the ear. Never talk to her. Try to talk to her? No. Your ear say you dance to them chat you. You try to talk to me? No. You leave the grow.
So yeah, to be honest, I really feel so Rebel are the emotional one. You know them woman when them vex, them just walk and just like cuss, like if them eat them, I'm gonna just rub it out. And then tomorrow morning them just get over it and yeah, them cool and hug and everything. I saw Rebel seem like so she stay. But it always working in your favor. See? So last but not least is the final pop-off girl who is Bubbles.
Nothing wasn't an issue for we. Nothing. We are working for Spice, our boss. If Spice and the next artist in an altercation, are we and them in an altercation too? We not dance for the next artist. We skin up our face. We bend up our face. If a man artist go like say them want chat all too tough, but we boss, we skin up our face. So where Richie Feelings are talk about loyal. Richie remember me company team last year and know shit about me.
And that is pretty. No, I honestly feel like I watch them really good. It work out. Like, when I see the genius in that Berry does, when I see the genius.
Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup.
Alright, Bubbles, yeah. When I say what I need for say, and get it off on the chest because I actually like that they spoke about this because I guess me not go front and go on like say me don't think so them not love Spice. Like I think the girl them loyal to Spice because them support Spice from like long time all, and I see them online and defend Spice right through. And I'll give you my thoughts after I finish looking number one, but me want to hear from Uno. Want to think about, you know, the whole entire Team Spice jumping out and, you know, clapping back at the statements that were made on Richie Feelings live. Sound off below. And number one goes to Spice answers back finally. Woo! For number one goes to Spice clapping back at her dancers, the pop-up girls of dancehall. Yes. Yo, that'll be a bad reality show. So, okay, thank you so much for, like, you know, catching up on all of the drama, all of the mess that is unfolding in this entire Artie Boss Spice, you know, latest Saga, Team Spice. Yeah, it's just a whole entire mess. So now, after Team Spice now took to Instagram Live now for share for them side of the story and react to all of the allegations made and the statements they made by Richie Feelings, Spice listen to all of them. Okay, you know Spice no she not garbage and Spice says social media and social media says Spice. Honestly, like if me do my countdown, me I tell you Spice has been the most featured artist for my countdown because like every week Spice have something else. Like the other day was I Feel Away and Spice go, you know, have a little drama, like a social media thing, and it's like a blink is another. Like how can Spice outdo herself on social media in terms of mix up week after week? What happen next week? What is going to, so honestly, Lord, you know, let me just like bust a little prayer right now because with all of this, like Artie Boss and man something, I think I just need for us to say a little prayer and a little psalms right now. Dear Father, you understand that I'm here doing this topic. Please to cover me under your blood, okay? So that whatever evil spirits encampeth around me, bind them back and send them to Riverton City dump. Let them not come near me. Let it not affect my likes, my comments, and my shares. Let this video prosper. And if you're watching it live right now, make sure you say to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and then, you know, just like and leave a comment and all of these things and watch the ads. Thank you very much. Alright, now, so Spice now, after all the dancers them took to IG Live, Spice went up now and decided to say, yo, she gonna talk up some of the things them now.
TC go live, Rebel go live, Pretti go live. You notice if Richie Feelings never come out, come say something, nobody who no go live, and that is the problem. That's the problem. Richie Feelings come out, come talk, and so hurt. You know why uno go live? Because Richie Feelings says something where hurt uno, and uno alone have feelings. But other things was said about me as uno boss, and it never hurt uno. Nobody no go live. Just like how uno act. It will on go upon live. You notice on act like a little bit of money me pay on. And people are gonna say, me love talk when me do for people. Me have to talk. Me have to talk because you don't want to talk. And guess what? Me never gonna talk. My booking agent named Ray Alexander. Me now gonna talk. Tomorrow when me wake up, I'm go in on my story. All
Can I get a wow?
wow! And I come act like say me stingy and me mean. If you don't forget clothes is me. If you don't forget shoes is me. You know this Chris's thing in the street. I wanna not talk that.
You look good the block low. Your belly flat. You lose the right amount of weight. Get your sling back like a cheerleader. You know your grandpa top.
I be a cockroaches and bangaroo in the group. TC say rebel a chatter in a class or who said this a one year chatter in a class or and I come talk about be a boss. What more you want me if it do for no?
I'm not invite you to go nowhere again. I'm tired of this now.
Come out to pass, yeah? Your son no go live? Your son no go live? You know why I no go live? Because something bad was said about Uno, but when something bad I say about me, Uno do like Uno does say. That's why we sound a hypocrite. Never me, you could have vexed with me because them had done you, Tifa. That was unfair. You could have vexed with, you shouldn't have vexed with me because them had done you. Because you have to know, say, let me explain something about the internet. No, hold on.
The people that you on my page and say happy birthday, and the people them underneath then I say, they don't like her, she talk like her, she that, she
what you gonna do?
What is it me gonna do? Me gonna either disable the comments, I'm gonna take the picture all of them together, I'm gonna make a post and
celebrity, you can't escape judgment. You can't blame me for the public opinion because listen.
When we say we're friends.
No, but we are friends. So if you post me and people are say she blacky, our spice are gonna color here.
When people are get disrespectful with even you, say you can't say that.
But probably you never really.
You gonna say, well, me never call you as a boss, and you fi call me, little girl, me and you no size. Is Uno a chat me, and Uno a say something bad about me, you no hear say Spice a chat you. You no hear say me say something bad about you, so why am me fi call you? And you a chat me, and you a say something bad about me.
Because
I wasn't like...
because when I say things, my whole
Tifa.
issue with something, you could have picked up your phone and call me.
But you could have called me too. Remember the phone work both ways. But Tifa, you could have called me too. Tifa, you could have called me too. You shouldn't listen to the people them. And people tell you things.
Friends not good for you, girl.
I know in a usual Spice passion, Spice now just go up on Instagram and just cuss people without a promote something. So every time she go up on live, you go see the Gracie Noir in the background because, you know, Spice, market. And the whole entire time when she go up and look at the live them, she promote her song when named Friends from VP Records. Come and tell you, Spice, smart. All in her pain and her misery, she still gonna try work. I just saw the girl stay here for just 3 levels in. And so she spoke about the whole of that now, and it was only for a short live, but she went there and addressed all of the girls. And yeah, right now, I just want to know when I say I have my 2 cents, I'm feeling I just want to talk about it and say, yo, this entire thing is a mess. Me, 100% agree with Spice. when it comes to the whole Nicholas Lal and the Artie Boss type of thing, if vex and you feel like your friend sell you out, do that thing. And if you feel him sell you out, I agree with you right there, sir. And the baby father thing, I think him should join Artie Boss live for say anything for make you look in our negative life. Seen? Especially with the son like mention and thing.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
The part now with your dancers. Spice, man, you're cool. Please listen to me. You see? Your dancers, your co-workers are not supposed to be a friend. Not supposed to be a friend. You need to start parting some people.
Oh, now we gotta go.
Because you see, when you're a friend with them will always do some little foolishness. If it's them young, you get me? And at the end of the day, them will do what them do. And when you jump in now, them will always look on you as the boss. So you can operate the same way like how them operate. You mention one little part and say, oh, you hear somebody chat to you or whatever like that, and you feel like a them they're supposed to come to you. No, you are the boss. If you work at one organization, you have one of your work at them where you do something, and you have to call in the work at them and say, yo, what is this me here say you go out with in my uniform? Are you in charge of that in a Spice? And you're talking about things and you know with me like no, because you treat them like pitney. I would say you pay school fee, you do this and you do that. You're supposed to do it, Spice. Them look at something you mention, talk about the people them say them that have good art. But when you go mention say yo, you pay for them outfit, that is what manager do, are you in charge of them, you know, man, Spice. That's all me I hope for. So just deal with look at conflict resolution off here because we just feel like I just communication, I go fix that. Your baby father now, I think everybody understand exactly how you end up I hate him like how you hate him now. So people just not just loyal from now on. But just please have communication, Spice. Every time you feel away, not take away yourself from people. At that time there, you need to just communicate. All with it hurt you.
That? Oh, are you serious?
Zine, love your Spice. Let me know, burritos, like if you agree with me or what, yeah, if you disagree with me, sound off below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this social media countdown. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment down below and to share the video with your family and friends. And do not forget to turn on the post notification so that you can see whenever I upload a video. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is DuttyBerryShow. On Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please send me an email to my new email address, which is bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care and thank you for watching. And whoo, this is a whole entire saga. Peace out, burritos.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.